Well, gang, it's all back together. The VTEC solenoid, not available at the moment, but the person said just put the old one back in. Okay, well, I'll do it. But it's all back together again. I've got to put the jump leads on because it's battery flat. And what was the issue? It wouldn't idle, and the engine light kept coming on. So let's just see what we got. No engine light. And we're idling. So there we go. Success. Cam chain. Cam chain is the issue. And yeah. I'm just now going to warm it up and put some engine flush through it, drain the oil, change the filter and all those other good things. Make sure it's got no oil leaks. But yeah, that sounds alright. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So it's happy days. Check you later.